Hello and welcome. It's Melissa here, and I've got a great video lined up for you today. Spring is in the air, and I've got some quick and easy and inexpensive tips to show you how to create a beautiful tablescape ready for your next gathering. So without further ado, let's check it out.
Okay, so first things first, I always start with layers. I love layers. It just adds some visual interest, some depth, and why not start with that natural woven plate chargers? And I paired that along with this doily looking plate charger. Hey, more plate chargers the better. And then I absolutely love, I found these from Pioneer Woman. It's these beautiful vintage plate sets, and it really lends itself to that spring floral pops of color that I'm going for. And then, hey, to top it off, these beautiful salad plates that not only add that pop of color, but also, hey, we've got a bunny rabbit on there, so it also plays to that Easter and spring look that I'm going for. Next, well, this was a wonderful, amazing gift that was given to me by my mother and father-in-law, and these are some beautiful goblets, and I will add the link below for you to see. And next, let's start with the centerpiece, and this is a really inexpensive. I found these stems from the dollar store, so again, you can find really inexpensive ways to create this ambiance of whatever that table that you would like. So again, I'm trying to add this linear look and really just a starting point to add layers. Again, I love those layers to my table. So I started with those leaves and really just tried to tuck under the branches. And then I just wanted you to see all I did was went around and found from the dollar store, from Target, from Michael's, just anything that had bunnies. I was going for a rabbit or Easter egg theme. Now, I love with this beautiful egg theme cloche from Target, you could add anything, including figures, like bunny rabbit figures, but I went with flowers from IKEA that I had. And then I just strategically placed my rabbits. Again, I have them from Michael's to the dollar store to Target, and I'm just adding anything. And the more eclectic, the better of, really that's the look that I'm going for. If you want to have more of a uniform look, go right ahead. And then next, I was trying to add pops of color, and I was also trying to hide the branches and those little twigs that I really couldn't hide well enough. And so why not add some dollar store flowers? And you can leave the stems on, and sometimes I just threw the bottom right off and just put the flower head on top of the table and it did the trick. Next, I wanted to show you another inexpensive, really effective way to create more of that Easter or spring theme you're going for with your table setting, and that is with your table napkins. So I started with just making it very long. I made sure the pointy ends were on either side, tied it in a knot, and now you've created these bunny ear looking table napkins or folds, and you can place it in your cups. And then I went to the dollar store and I picked up these little plastic egg holders, and they're plastic. That's okay. It added the color. That's what I wanted. And then I had these beautiful eggs from Michael's from a previous year, and I just added those again for that pop of color, for that pop of theme. And then I am all set and ready for spring gathering or an Easter dinner. All this talk of food is making me hungry. So what do you think? I hope these tips and tricks are going to help you to create your Easter table setting or your next spring shindig with your friends or family. And these ideas are not only inexpensive, but they're very easy to achieve yourself. If there's any other themes that you'd like to use during spring or Easter, please shoot a comment. I would love to hear about it. And if you like what you see or would like to see more videos similar to this, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It always helps to grow my channel. Until next time, I hope this has helped to inspire you. And until then, happy decorating.